What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO should be here if you're new to my channel. Hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this hair that I have on. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how we got to this point from point A to point Z, B. I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled this unit and customized it, and then we're going to get into the review and what I think about this hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already, and stay through to the end because you might have got the comment shout out.
Sweet love. I didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. I should've held on tight, I never should've let you go. I didn't know nothing, I was stupid, I was foolish, I was lying to myself. I couldn't have fathomed I would ever be without your love. Never imagined I'd be sitting here beside myself. Cause I didn't know you, cause I didn't know me, but I thought I knew everything. I never felt the feeling that I'm feeling now that I don't hear your voice. Or have you touch and kiss your lips cause I don't have a choice. Or what I wouldn't get to have you lying by my side right here. Cause baby, when you left I lost a part of me. It's still so hard to believe. Come back baby, please, cause we belong together. Who else am I gonna leave? No one time get rough. Who's gonna come to me on the phone till the sun comes up? Who's gonna take your place? There ain't nobody there. Oh baby, baby, we belong together. I can't sleep at night when you are on my mind. Puppy romance on the radio, sing to me. If you think you're lonely now, wait a minute, this is too deep. I gotta change the station, so turn the dial, trying to catch a break. And then I hear baby face. I only think of you, and it's breaking my heart. I'm trying to keep it together, but I'm falling apart. I'm feeling all out of my element, throwing things, trying to figure out where the hell I went wrong. The pain reflected in the song ain't even half of what I'm feeling inside. I need you back in my life, baby. The feeling that I'm feeling now that I don't feel your voice. Or have you touch and kiss your lips cause I don't have a choice. Or what I wouldn't get to have you lying by my side right here. Cause baby, when you left I lost a part of me. It's still so hard to believe. Come back baby, please, cause we belong together. Who else am I gonna leave? No one time get around. Who's gonna talk to me on the phone till the sun comes up? Who's gonna take your place? There ain't nobody there. Oh baby, baby, we belong together, baby. When you left I lost a part.
So this unit is 18 inches and 180% density, so super thick. But not too thick, like it'll still be flat on your head, but it's thick. The lace they said is a medium brown lace based on the website, but I do feel like it's somewhere between transparent and a very light brown lace, which I actually think is a great transparent lace for black women. Because it was like light enough to where if you have a very light skin tone, it will blend for you. But it was also, it had enough of a like a brown undertone that if you have a brown skin or darker, you could still blend it out pretty easy. Like this was not hard for me to blend at all, and it was a lace that was lighter than my skin tone. So I would definitely say that this lace pretty much covers the whole spectrum. Like everybody can work with it, and it tints really easily. I didn't really have a problem at all. It did not take very long, and I'm not getting like that halo effect. It's still blending. I like this lace a lot, and it's not even HD. This unit also does come pre-plucked. And I would say I did go ahead and just like test that out to see how well the pre-pluck comes already. Like if you don't do it, I did, however, go through and just like pluck out the hairs at the very front of the hairline to make it a little more natural of a hairline and not straight across. So that's the only thing I did. I didn't thin it out. Also, what I did peep when I opened the package is that there was no smell with this hair, and I appreciate that. I don't like that little hair smell that sometimes some of these wigs can have. This one did not have it, so I appreciate that. In the box, they gave me a lot of goodies. Like the hair did come in this package. I don't think I showed that in my clips of before I did the wig. And then it also comes with this little pouch in here. I haven't opened these yet, so we're looking at them together. And it comes with a comb. Oh, and they gave me one of the clips. That's so cute. You guys, they gave me a wax stick. I was doing this hair wishing I had a wax stick. That's why it pays to like finish what you start. Like I should have opened everything first, but I didn't, so here we are. It gave me some regular bobby pins. Oh, and a set of tweezers. And this all came with the hair. Hold up, we got one more. Oh, first of all, look at this packaging. How cute is this packaging? And it's lashes. And they're 3D mink too. Y'all know I can't put on lashes for nothing, but I'm gonna keep these. And when somebody around me can put them on me, I'm gonna wear them. But like for real, stop, drop, and roll for this packaging. This is so cute. And it's got the little "you are so beautiful" in there, like the little affirmation. This is cute packaging. Anyways, back to the specs of the unit. So the hair doesn't really tangle all like that. It is Brazilian textured, so you know it's like smooth with a little grit. Brazilian's like the standard texture everybody typically gets. So it is that. The color did not cause the hair to be dry or tangled and matted and stuff. It feels really good. It took the heat very well. It's super easy. No issues there at all. The only con that I have with this hair as of right now, this is my initial putting it on and unboxing and all of that, is the frontal size. But before, you know, I say that, I do want to, I guess I already said it, but before I like listen. So like this side doesn't fully cover, but this side pretty much covers as normal for me. But the thing is, it has an elastic band in the back. And I think where the elastic band sits, like, you know, they're just doing it as a standard construction. It's not really made to fit my head exactly. It's not a custom wig. It sits too close to my ears, and it didn't allow me to pull the wig where I needed to pull it. Had I noticed that before I cut the lace, I would have been able to just take out the elastic band and just, you know, not used it. And it would have been able to fit right. But I didn't notice that before I installed the wig. Well, it was already in the middle of installing the wig. So that kind of messed me up a little bit. But I can't say that the cap is actually too small. Just pay attention if you do get this unit where the elastic band sits. Now, I will say I'm very happy that they add that wax stick in with your purchase, because there are some flyaways when you get this unit. Nothing crazy or, you know, out of pocket, but it's there. I actually was able to just use some mousse to flatten it down, and it laid down perfectly, but the wax stick will work perfect as well. It does have a comb in the middle, 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, the adjustable straps, and the elastic band that I talked about. So the wig is secured. That's what I do know. And then as far as like how the cap fits, I think it fits actually really well. If you needed to adjust it larger, I would just say take out the elastic band and put your own in so it fits your head if you need to, because it did fit snug like it should. With my head, I do have a standard 22-inch, you know, head size, so it actually fit really well for my head. But if you have a larger head, just take it out. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot to mention that this unit, it doesn't come pre-bleached. You're going to have to bleach it yourself if you choose to bleach the knots. I did bleach the knots off camera. If you would like to see how I do the breakdown with my human wigs of like the, you know, the bleaching and the plucking and all of that, please see my video that will be linked down below. And that is my entire detailed tutorial on how I customize my units to look natural and all of that tea. So if you want to see all that, see that video. Comment shout out in this video goes to Jessie Fairley. Shout out to you, girl. Thanks for commenting and supporting my channel. I appreciate it, and I appreciate all y'all too. If you would like to pick up this unit, it'll be linked down below in the description box. Shout out to Luvme Hair for sending me this gorgeous unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.